Yo, so man, what going on, man? I know we ain't recorded in a while, man. I ain't gonna lie. These allergies been kicking. Man, you know, ain't gonna lie, these allergies been bad.
Y'all, what's up, man? But we got a big day. Remember we told y'all last vlog, we said we got a lot going for next week? Hey, man, today just started that, bro.
No cap, man. This finna be a long weekend, man. I know y'all ain't never seen Walk Dog. I'm gonna show y'all who Walk Dog is. A Walk Dog, that black mug right there.
You drop your car?
Oh, man. What me ride with you?
I thought we always drop that car.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, then look, C-Silk, he always trying to pop it, man. Hey, I already got this motherfucker, by the way. I got this motherfucker, and I gave him a hit, by the way. No cap, but we finna go to Atlanta Motor Speedway, cause it got something going on. The lighting kinda crazy. Yeah, it got something going on at Atlanta Motor Speedway, you know, drag race and stuff like that. I think these two cars will go down the track, the Vet and the BMW, but we ain't really sure. But yeah, I'm gonna be on my boy Mark, boy Curly, boy Eliante, link up with them at the gas station. When I get there, I pick up the camera when I get to Atlanta Motor Speedway, man. We out. Man, we just got to Atlanta Motor Speedway, man. Let me show y'all folks some cars. They got a Tesla Plaid.
They gonna fly past your ass quiet in.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck?
Grab it. Grab it.
I told y'all, man, it's gonna be a lot of, got lots of plans, a lot of cars.
Yo, 3 boys. That big nasty. But nephew, look at the brakes. Brakes back to back. I mean, y'all think I should get a C6 or a C7? What y'all think? I really want a Chevy, but I don't really know what I want yet. My bad if I ain't looking at the camera. I'm trying to record this right quick. Crazy.
Hey, whenever I get gas by today,
No cap. I ain't gonna lie, I got a lot of cars out here, y'all. I got a lot of cars. And I think Dre them going on the track, so we gonna see what them boys
man, I'm
do.
going on the track today, bro. Y'all wish me luck, man.
We gonna see what them boys do, man. We gonna have y'all take her out the track too. Ain't going down nobody. It's kinda dark here. They ain't got no light. It's kinda dark. We'll look at the race car real quick, man. Little fill gen. Gen. Oh shit, I thought that was Dre whole car right there. Nah, they ain't Dre whole car. We seen it there. Dang, like this a hard ass thing. Dang. That's a great. Oh man, look at that boy Dre. You a bag, ain't you?
Huh?
You a bag, ain't you?
Hey, man, y'all know, boy. Somebody in our crew gonna have one of these soon.
I ain't gonna lie, they got a lot of cars out here, man. You just know somebody gonna have one of them soon. Ain't no telling, maybe me, maybe one of the bros. We gonna have one soon though. Now I can't tell them everything, but I don't know. Stupid ass. Look, gotta make sure I get a good picture of space ass. I love some shit. I ain't gonna lie, look at this. I was on that whole toy. Nah, you good, you good. They ain't taking no picture. Crazy. Hey, so you trying to go back to back? Trying to go back to back? Why not? Man, he love Mustangs, bro. Hey, let's go walk see some more cars, man.
If I can, I gotta be C7.
You said C7? That's what I'm talking about.
I don't know.
C7 got my heart, man. I love C7. I love C7, man.
Everything with a 50 got a goddamn canvas and a goddamn. You got skis on the front.
All them bitches made for. Them bitches slow as hell. If you got a filter, your shit's slow. No cap. You said who? E63S? It's hard. C63S? It's hard. Let me go see how this event go, man. Little car here. 240. That's it.
That's wrong. Sure. I'm telling you right now.
Let's go bitch ass back.
Nigga really pissed.
Go little V2, man. Yeah, V3 hard.
How did that? What this is?
Trailblazer. I'll tell y'all folks. Before it was a track out, man, this is what it was. This was the track out back then. Ain't nothing down here, man. Except for that Ford truck. Y'all don't know shit about no Ford trucks. You. Hey, that Lexus tough, twin. What the fuck? Ford truck. They don't even know it. Good 10 speed, man.
This shit is surprised. A lot of niggas don't know shit about no car.
You charge fashion for it. I get one.
Give it for my 50, 60.
I ain't paying that much. I'm already getting a bit.
It's a truck, nigga.
Damn, what it is?
Trucks ain't cheap, nigga.
Damn, what it is?
Trucks ain't cheap. What the fuck?
Man, what y'all really get? A Ford truck or a C7 for $60,000?
You can't compare the C7 to the F-150.
The price wise, duh, I'm comparing it.
You get net or a TRX?
Who?
You get net or a TRX?
That nigga, what the hell?
I just had to see where your head was.
No fucking TRX.
A lot of niggas say TRX.
TRXs are trash. Hey, this internet got y'all brainwashed.
TRX was goddamn, man.
Shit got y'all niggas brainwashed. Look at this man, bro. These dudes love vets. Like, love them. But yeah, man, we'll go over when we get over there with the other cars and everything. Pick up the camera for y'all folks in a minute. I showed y'all really everything that's over here. We're going till we on a track with this motherfucker.
I'm about to race this big block right here, small block race big block right here.
Big block, little block, heavier block, stupid ass. But your ass is a 456. I don't even know what the fuck that is. You feel me? And we got the midget man, Everybody know that's the midget man. Man, we walk on the track, man.
You goddamn focus the big ass nigga.
Hey, when y'all having that paper, man, y'all can do what y'all want to.
Go fuck up, nigga.
I just bought a track, stupid ass. I'm finna make it my thumbnail, stupid ass.
Buy a track.
Good thumbnail. I bought a track.
Like this in that motherfucker.
I said bought a track, like a track out, stupid ass.
Let go Boston Wayne and making it build a church.
Look at that. So look at that. He swear he just. We live, baby. We from the 404, baby. Huh?
Alright, picture.
Alright, picture, twin. We out here, man.
Oh God, Flint, you up Florida, man.
Huh?
I heard you were from Florida.
I ain't from Florida, man. I'm from Louisiana, baby. So I'm finna go live on y'all folks.
I'm finna go live.
Man, I ain't gonna lie, man. It's just live out here, man. They got hella cars, no cap. I've been trying to record for y'all, but like the lighting kind of was messed up. It was like kind of dark. So, ain't really been recording like that. But y'all folks stay tuned, man. My boy Nephew finna go out there. Boy Mark, 601. My boy Dre, man. See how these folks do out there, man. Look at the whips. Look at the track. This is a no prep track. So, they doing photo burnouts.
Ooh, don't prep this bitch, nigga.
They ain't prepping shit.
They been hot as fuck.
Track, man.
Hot brick.
On YouTube, man. They ain't want to let us down here at first, but you know, man. Black entrepreneurs, finesse. Yeah. I'm finna get y'all for the good footage. We in the grass.
Oh, the GT500?
We in the grass, brother.
You know
Y'all remember me now? Come on now.
Yeah, man, appreciate it,
Good
man.
shit, bro. Good shit. Good shit.
We live, baby. I mean, we could have been walking down here. Let's see what the Tesla Plaid do, man. Let's see what the Tesla Plaid gonna do. Bet 10.
No, put it out. We made it, nigga. We made it, nigga.
Hey, what they tell Raw? What they tell Raw? Oh my God! feel me? Who y'all like out of the benefit round 2? Hey, we good right here, we good right here, we good right here.
Yeah, you're good. Stay right there.
Hey, Quan not here yet. Hey, y'all was there. Quan ain't need no beer, nigga.
Hey, Sean. Back on the asphalt. Back on the asphalt.
It's great. It's crazy. So ain't no way no scat just be the GL6. That is crazy. My boy Curl out here, man.
Hey, we done got back there, man. We working for
Got a whole gang out here, man. You feel me? We outside. Okay, man. Who y'all like? DJ Jump, man. Jump. Hey, that bitch sound crazy. What the fuck? My head cold as fuck. Ain't no, yeah, that's info. I like the Lexus, bro. I like the Lexus. That's what I tell you. What I tell you, nigga. Slow as dirt. The fuck? Oh, the player went? Yes. He went first. He got the fuck out of that much. Damn. Go on, went to go get a camera. Man, ain't gonna lie. That boy nephew Drake should be out here in a minute, man. I want to know fuck now. And that boy Mark. My boy, man, he finna race the mirror. Text me. It's crazy. No, it's crazy, man. Andy wants to let us come on the track. Finesse our way down. We said we got cameras, they let us come down, you feel me? We had to pay nothing. Let me show y'all for some more cars. Hey, nephew coming soon, man. Oh my God. Hey man, I like the mirror. Hey, what the Honda win? Boy, that Honda didn't stand a chance. What the fuck? That Honda didn't stand a chance, twin. No cap. Hey, I gotta get the burn up. Hey, Ellie. My boy Mark, man. That's my boy Mark, dude. See that boy Mark, dude, man. Versus 0-1. G6. That boy Martin. See that boy Martin, man. Come on, Mark. See that boy Mark, man. Trying to get both. Give me. See that boy doing? boy nephew, man. Gotta get my boy nephew. I gotta get that boy nephew, man. Gotta get that boy nephew, man. See shit wicked, man. See shit wicked, man. See shit wicked, man. Hey, Dre, you can't walk out there to it. Better draw that motherfucker, boy. Hey, nephew, better draw that bit. Better draw that bit, man. Man, where's the fucking focus, though? What the fuck? I don't know.
Capital.
You already owe me $5, nigga. What you doing? I said $5. I got the cat. I bet. I got the cat. What you like?
I like this cat.
Videos, man.
So this shit piped out here, no cat. That cat just got the fuck out of that CTSV. I ain't gonna lie. Man, we outside medium pass. That's all right, man. You better get on Snapchat, cuz. Y'all out there, bitch. My boy Drake's supposed to go soon, but he gotta get the helmet first, so he gonna go in a minute. So you know what's crazy? He didn't need the camera. He didn't need the camera. This nigga got through his phone. Bro. Look, I don't know what he told us. Tell me he didn't need no camera. I said I don't know shit. Nigga, the player went it out. Hey, you like LA? I tell you, I like the orange one.
I like the orange one.
Hey, Twitch, you got moves? Oh, hell no, I like this shit. I like the Integra. I mean, what the fuck it is? Yeah, Integra.
Shit. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, they got some shit.
Nah, that Integra.
Somebody hit me, my boy. Hey, so he just blew the motor in that bit, Mr. Gill. Not just playing, I don't know. Normally, you go too fast, you miss a gear, you'll blow the motor.
I need to go get some burnouts on camera.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna get some burnouts too. Okay, who gave you that? Which one?
He got me on Dodge.
What the fuck? He said you have it?
Yeah. He the one who got me on the Dodge thing.
Man, I didn't even know. Burnouts, man. I'm tired of.
Say fuck that. I ain't getting my tires away.
I don't think you got to. You all would drive. I know that bitch finna go crazy. Oh, y'all like the ZL1 the M8. I like the ZL1. Whoa. outside good as hell, no cap. Had to drop the hair, man. Getting cold out here. Man, look at this old Camaro with this supercharger on there. This man got a Toyota Camry going on there. What the fuck is that? But hey man, everybody having fun, so it really don't matter. Feel me? I'm trying to wait on my boy Dre to come. I don't know when he coming though. I'm still trying to wait. I don't think I'm gonna be recording for a long time because my battery's down a little bit, so I'm trying to get some more footage for y'all. So I may put the camera down for a little bit, for like 20, 15 minutes. But I'm gonna try to keep recording till Dre here. Down Toyota Camry. I mean Corolla, that's Toyota Corolla.
Rotary?
Bro, what the fuck is that, bro? Hey, let's see what this shit do, man.
Oh, be on force. I mean, that motherfucker.
Man, let's see what the fuck this shit do, man. Shut off, came back on, he still beat, bro. That was crazy. I'm not gonna lie, man. Hey, Ellie, what we doing after this, man?
I don't know.
That was crazy. Yeah, like what you like, bro? You like?
What we got? I got Buick.
Left lane.
Toy, that's a Monte Carlo, Toy. Ain't no Buick. That's Monte Carlo.
Damn, I'm tripping, twin.
That's a Buick Regal. So I don't care what you do to the fidget. I'm not never gonna bet on that. How you like the fidget? Fifth Gen 1, that was crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Man, where the man Dre at, man? I've been with the man so long to him. Where the man Dre at? I think he getting in line. Yeah, Dre in line now. So Dre should be coming down soon. Make sure I get that footage for y'all. My brother, man. Hey, Dre should come down like you got like 4 cars in front of him. Yeah, they should too. I ain't gonna lie, I'm pick up the camera in a minute when Drake start, cause we just testing tour right now. When they really start race, I'm pick up the camera for y'all folks. I'm supposed to see. I'm gonna make sure I get Drake there. Man, Drake that motherfucker, man. Let's see what Drake do to him. Let's see what Drake do. Let's see what Drake do to him. Let's see what Drake do to it. Go to it!
I'm not feeling you. Spinning, bro.
He was spinning, bro. He was spinning. I ain't gonna lie. Oh my God, that bit hard. Demon 170, man. Sound good. Let's see what the Demon 170 do, man. What y'all think? Y'all think gonna leave the tires on the ground?
We got everybody coming to see them.
Y'all think gonna leave the tires on the ground?
He gonna hook. He gonna hook.
Was crazy. What the fuck? Look KP out there. That boy KP, man.
Say nigga JPB.
That boy KP, man. Come on, KP. He said get back. He said get back. Hey, we gotta get back. We gotta get back. They should have to be on the pavement. We have to be on the pavement, they gonna make us move. How you going to go around? Come on, KP, Toy. Show the folks what you can do, Toy. No, he ain't go around. Oh, he did go around. He back there. I see him on the track. I'm dead at it. What was it? The Demon 170? Yeah, hey. He all the way over there, bro. He went around the track. Look how slow he's driving. The Demon 170. Okay, Pete. That motherfucker fast. Y'all go crazy. Hey, ain't gonna lie, man. My battery about to die, so I pick up the camera in a minute, man. No cap. Better ride down, so pick up the camera in a minute, man.
This shit crazy as fuck, Toy.
Yeah. YouTube, man, we just got back out here, man. I had went to the car for a minute because it got a little cold. Had to go get some heat. Look, man. Mustang, bikes keep stalling out. That's just so crazy. Go crazy down there. But yeah, my boy nephew is ready for the race in a minute. After they race, he got a $10 race. Then after that, maybe go get some food. For Goodfellas, you know, the famous spot, pizza spot, best spot in Georgia. But yeah, y'all folks just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna go to the end. Push again, we out. So what's going on, man? We back at the crib, man, as you can see. I said I was gonna pick up the camera when we was out there, but the camera ended up dying. So can't really pick the camera back up, but we back at the crib, man. It was a very productive day, man. You know, with the game, man. Everybody got to go down the track. You know, I ain't really go down the track. I was really recording, you know, for y'all. I ain't really tripping. I ain't gonna lie, man. I know you supposed to be dropping vlogs back to back. But I ain't gonna lie, that pollen have been killing me, so I ain't really been doing nothing. Been chilling in the crib, you know, stuff like that. But man, y'all folks stay tuned, man. The pollen finna go away, so you know we back on it. Motion Game, man. I really appreciate y'all folks, man, for like, coming subscribing to the channel, man. But this is the outro, man, so you know we gone, man. We'll be back, man, for the next vlog. Motion Game, we out. Gang!